section of lawyers in the country are up in arms over the planned construction of 1 billion shilling arbitration center. The society says the center will ease the backlog in the courts. But as Ian Wafula reports, every lawyer is required to pay nearly 40,000 shillings, and that is not going down very well.
For Eric Mutua, the idea of an international arbitration center was a key campaign issue as he sought to recapture the seat in February this year.
It started going to court where there's a judge, but he can't be an expert in everything.
But now that idea has come back to haunt him even before the construction begins, and it's all about money. The project is due to cost some 1.25 billion shillings, and each lawyer in the country will have to pay 39,000 shillings.
Members just want to know, if we're going to pump 1.2 billion shillings into this particular project, is it a project that is going to give us returns?
We were told that by the project consultant that they have all this documentation, meaning that is the council, meaning that even by the time that they were coming up with the notice, they were supposed to have given us, through the emails, those minimums.
Advocates Edwin Sifuna and Alex Gatundu also questioned the project's viability and transparency.
We have been very kind enough to the young lawyers in that instead of paying 39,000 at a go or at once, they would be able to stagger the payment. That within the first year, they pay 13,000. 1 year, 13,000.
While they do admit that having an arbitration center is a brilliant idea, they accuse the leadership of failing to consult the members.
Any member of the Law Society who intends or wants to look at those documents, we are not able to circulate those contractual documents because we have confidential clauses in those documents.
Generally, there has been a very cavalier way of handling especially young advocates within the Law Society, especially at such meetings. And the procedure that was adopted was totally illegal and blatantly, the chair blatantly refused to listen to objections.
So what were we supposed to do on that day? What is International Arbitration Center? What is it? What about it? Is it burning? Has it been built? Is it burning? We go and put the fire? Are we going to change the name, or what was it?
But the LSKI chairman, Eric Mutua, says the complex will hold more than just the arbitration offices.
It will have a hotel, it will have a library, and then now it's going to have 14 arbitration rooms.
The LSKI chair says up to 50% of cases could be solved at the center, hence easing up the pressure on the court system. But for now, he will have to deal with the preliminary objections coming from a section of his membership. Ian Wafula, KTN.